Hi guys, this is Usha from Pro Programmer and I am going to be instruct this course today. So in this ethical hacking full course introduction, we will be learning almost everything that is required for you to get started as an ethical hacker. So come, let's quickly go over the topics that we are going to be covering this course. Firstly, we are going to be see basics of cyber security and cryptography, where we will be learning the key concepts of confidentiality, integrity and availability, and also how the cryptography concepts also tie with the whole picture. And next we will be looking at some cyber threats and we will be seeing how the cyber threats actually affect our computer, and then also see how we can mitigate them. After which we will be looking into the history of ethical hacking. We learn how this all began into the Massachusetts Institute of Technology. And then we will be looking into the fundamentals of networking and ethical hacking. In this we will be learning the various tools that is used in ethical hacking and also the network architecture that are used in. We will be having look into what the most famous operating system that is there, that is Kali Linux. So the Kali Linux is used by ethical hackers and penetration testers. All around we will be learning how to install this on our local systems. And we will be learning the tools that come along with it, and bash we should be used them. After that we will be learning about penetration testing, and the penetration testing is a subset of ethical hacking. So in this we will be learning about the tool called Metasploit, and using Metasploit we'll be learning more about the vulnerability analysis and how we can install backdoors in different computer system and take advantages of this vulnerability. And now Nmap is also another tool that we are going to be discussing in this course. We will be learning how we can use Nmap to gather information from our networks and how we can use this information to our advantage. After that we will be learning deeply about three cyber attacks that are there in this industry. First is cross-site scripting, secondly distributed denial of service, and thirdly SQL injection attacks. Now we will be doing three attacks ourselves on dummy targets and learning more about these attacks and how they are orchestrated, and thus we will be learning more about how we can mitigate them. If we actually become ethical hackers, now we will also be discussing some very advanced cryptography methods called steganography, which is basically used for hiding digital code inside the images. Last but not least, we will be also discussing how you could become an ethical hacker yourself. So we will be discussing a roadmap. We'll also be discussing the job profiles that are there in the industry, and we also be discussing the companies that are hiring for these job profiles along with the salaries that they are trying to offer. Also we won't be leaving hanging right there. We'll also be discussing so much common interview questions that come along with these job profiles so that you can stay that job interview, and thus are the introduction part of the ethical hacking course. So if you like my video, please make sure subscribe our channel for further updates, and thank you for watching.